In this tutorial, I will show you how to wrap text around an image in Canva. First, open Canva and log into your account. Click Create a Design and choose any format you want. Once your canvas opens, add your image using the Elements or Upload section and position it where you want. Now, select the image and click Edit Photo from the top toolbar. Scroll down to Shadows and choose the glow effect. After applying it, click on the settings icon and adjust it by setting the color to match your background, increasing the size to 100, setting blur to 0 and intensity to 100. This creates a clean, invisible spacing around your image. Next, add your text box and move the text close to the image. Because of the glow spacing, the text will naturally align around the shape, creating a wrap effect. You can adjust the text box size and line breaks to refine the layout. This is a simple workaround since Canva doesn't have a direct wrap text feature. That is how you wrap text around an image in Canva.